Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to dive into subjects in RxSwift. Subject is one of the most powerful features when dealing with the dynamic data in reactive programming. In our previous videos, we have worked with the fixed hard-coded values for observable. So we are creating observable using the hard-coded value like this. So in our previous video, we are creating observable using of, just, from methods, and we were passing the hard-coded value to it. But in real-world apps, the data we work with usually comes from the dynamic resources like API calls, and we don't know the exact value before the code runs. This is where subjects comes into the picture. Subjects allow us to emit the value dynamically and have the multiple subscribers react to those values as they are emitted. For example, let's say we are receiving data from the API and we want to share this data to the multiple places of our application. How we can achieve this using RxSwift? A subject will help us to achieve this. A subject in RxSwift is both an observer and observable. This means you can subscribe to it like an observable and you can also send the value to it like observer. There are three main type of subjects: publish subject, behavior subject, replay subjects. I will walk you through the practical example for each of them. In this video, we will discuss the publish subject in detail. So let's get started. What is publish subject? This is the simplest type of subject. It doesn't send any value to the subscribers until they subscribe to it, and it only sends new value after the subscribers subscribes to publish subject. So it does not replay previous emissions. Imagine we are making a network request and emitting a value from the responses using publish subject. Let's try with example. Now this is the code to create a publish subject. So I have created a publish subject with the type of string. Now the first subscriber subscribes to the publish subject. So this is the subscriber which is subscribed to the publish subject, and in a closure I have written a print statement like subscriber 1 receive the value. After that, emitting a value to the publish subject, for example API responses. To emit a value to the publish subject, we can use onNext method, and we need to pass a string. Since this publish subject is type of string, that's why I have passed here the string, that is API response 1, and another value I have emitted, that is API response 2. After that, second subscriber subscribes to the publish subject. So this is the subscriber which is subscribed to the publish subject, and I have written the print statement in a closure, that is subscriber to receive a value. Now another value is emitted to the publish subject, that is API response 3. Now let's run this piece of code and we'll check the output. So in this case, subscriber 2 will only receive the value API response 3 because publish subject only sends value that are emitted after the subscriber subscribe to it. They won't get a value like API response 1 and API response 2. But the subscriber 1, this is the subscriber 1, the subscriber 1 receives all three API responses because subscriber 1 subscribed to the publish subject before sending a value. Also, one more important point is publish subject, behavior subject, or replay subject can emit an error or completed events. Let me show you that. Now I will create an enum which is type of error. Now I will simply call on error event and I will pass this error. Let me run this code. Now if you see in a console, both the subscriber has received the error value. Now let me call on completed event. Now you can see in a console both the subscribers has received the completed event. That's it for this video. We have explored how publish subjects works in RxSwift. I hope this video helped clarify the concept. In next video, we will continue with the behavior subject and replay subject. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in a comment section below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more RxSwift tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy coding.